Hey everyone, what if I told you getting addicted to studying is easier than you think? Not the stressful late night cramming kind, but the kind where you can't wait to hit the books. Sounds crazy, right? Stick with me to the end. The method one is turn studying into a game. Use apps like Habitica or set goals with points. 10 points for finishing a chapter, 50 for a mock test. Reward yourself with something small like a coffee or a 5-minute dance break. I started this for exams and suddenly studying felt like leveling up in a video game. Research shows gamification increases motivation by 48%, so try it. Method 2, break your study into tiny achievable goals. Instead of study math for 3 hours, set solve 5 problems. Each time you hit a goal, celebrate even if it's just a high five to yourself. Studies from Stanford show celebrating small wins releases dopamine, making you crave more. I went from dreading study nights to looking forward to them because every win felt amazing. The method 3 is study with friends or online communities. Join study groups on Discord, challenge each other, and share progress. Competition triggers your brain's reward system. I joined a study group and suddenly I was racing to finish chapters just to beat my friends. It's social, fun, and addictive. Thank you. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना.